हाँ रुक जाइए रुक जाइए।
निकालो भाई जल्दी।
तिकडून काढून घे, तिकडून काढ तिकडून.
Welcome to our Tadoba Jungle Safari series. Tadoba Andhari Tiger Reserve is one of the premier tiger reserves in India and it's located in Chandrapur district of Maharashtra. It's a heaven for wildlife enthusiasts and photographers due to its high chances of tiger sightings and rich biodiversity. Today, we are exploring the buffer zone of Tadoba, which is the Neemdhela Gate, which is around 45 kilometers from core gates of Moharli and one of the most dynamic safari gates, spectacular for wildlife sightings. We are pretty excited and thrilled as it was our first safari and we see this beautiful green bee eater on a perch using it as a lookout in search of the flying insects. It felt peaceful yet chilly as we are surrounded by unseen life. Every sound and shadow could be a predator, prey or a mystery. Meanwhile, we hear some soft foot movements as if something big is approaching us and to our big surprise, a huge male leopard came walking straight head-on towards our jeep. It had golden eyes, unblinking and piercing. It was completely calm and confident. We were in awe to see the nature's most skilled predator face to face. It made direct eye contact with us, marked its territory and gave us a sighting of our lifetimes. It stayed with us for a good 20 minutes while we were the only jeep. I think I was feeling extremely lucky to witness the most shy and elusive big cat just entering the park in the first 5 to 10 minutes. Sometimes the jungle rewards you more than you can ever ask for, and this day was one such day of our lives. After the leopard vanished into the bushes, we moved on in search of the tigers. A morning in the jungle is the most magical experience in nature. It's a symphony of sound, mist, light and life awakening all around you. We spotted the Indian rollers, we spotted some langurs with babies and the sambar deers. Here you can see langurs eating the salt from the mud to fulfill their nutritional and medicinal needs. Tadoba में कुछ दिन पहले काफ़ी बारिश हुई थी, इसीलिए जंगल वाज लुकिंग सो ग्रीन एंड ब्यूटीफुल. सन रेज पूरी खुल के आ रही थी और मॉर्निंग अपनी ग्लोरी पे था. वी वर लाइक वेरी एक्साइटेड बिकॉज हमारी इतनी अच्छी साइटिंग हो चुकी थी. एंड देन सडनली वी स्पॉट द ममा बेयर विथ हर कब in this bushes. They were eating termites, digging the ground. She was teaching the cub how to smell the termites, how to learn the tricks of the trade. And the sloth bear is the only bear which can carry their young ones on their back. So when they are really young, to move the cubs from one place to another, they'll put them on their backs and carry them. So it was a very cute encounter we were watching, and the cub was also moving just close to the mother because they are very, very vigilant about any tiger movement. Though both of them don't like to confront each other. And then we heard a tiger roar from a distance, and all of us got shocked along with the bears. The cub stood in the back of the mother trying to hide from the imminent danger. The mother was also very, very anxious, and she was looking here and there trying to protect her cub. They are quite aggressive when it comes to their cubs, and I think it is common for all the mothers. थोड़ा आगे जाने के बाद हम एक तो इतने खुश भी थे, बट हम लोग को लगा था कि बस अब एक टाइगर भी दिख जाए. और तभी हमने देखा कि चीतल डियर्स वेर इन अलर्ट मोड, एंड वी कुड ऑल्सो हियर द शीतल calls happening. So we were just crossing our fingers कि yes, अब एक कोई tiger हमें अगर दिख जाता है तो our this day would be complete. और तभी नागजीरा female came in front of us, crossed the track and even looked for one instant at us. She is very elusive, very shy and very hardly documented. So we felt even more lucky that we could see this tiger. And all this happened, our gypsy was all alone when we sighted all the leopard, the bear and now Nagzira female. I don't know. I mean, I felt really lucky that day. Next safari हमारी नवेगांव गेट से थी, which is also the same as नीमढेला buffer.
Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day, whispering pines, secrets untold.
नवेगांव गेट एंटर करने के बाद हमें पता चला कि बबली टाइग्रेस की स्पॉटिंग हुई है. शी इज़ सिटिंग बाय द पूल. सो हमारे ड्राइवर ने उसके बाद गाड़ी दौड़ाई और हम जल्दी से वहाँ पहुँच गए जहाँ से हर एंट्री वाज एक्सपेक्टेड. और वी फेल्ट रियली लकी बिकॉज वी स्पॉटेड हर राइट एट टाइम व्हेन शी वाज कमिंग आउट ऑफ द बुशेस. हाँ रुक जाइए.
निकालो भाई जल्दी.
तिकडून काढ पाहिजे मग आता तू भावा.
She was walking right in front of us. We could see her rear aram se, and we were one of the first gypsies at her back. Then she moved on into the bushes and it was also raining like anything that day. But still we got a really good sighting of Bubbly. Now Neemdhela Gate is also very famous for Chota Matka, who is the dominant male there. Uski daughter hai Nayanthara, who is a blue-eyed female tigress. She's around 2 years old and she's very pretty. तो हम उसकी वेट करते करते जब पानी पे पहुँचे, we saw her drinking the water there. She was looking so beautiful, but we were thinking कि उसके कुछ अच्छे shots मिले हमें. पानी पीने के बाद नयनतारा ने रोड क्रॉस किया. वो उसने काफ़ी टाइम हमें दिया. वी टुक रियली ब्यूटीफुल शॉट्स ऑफ हर. शी वाज लाइंग डाउन रोलिंग ओवर और वो शी वाज हैविंग फुल फन एंड शी वाज सो सिक्योर. वो बिल्कुल कॉन्फिडेंट थी विद सो मेनी जिप्सीज अराउंड. आई एम लीविंग यू विद सम ऑफ अ ब्यूटीफुल शॉट्स हियर. और इसके साथ हमारी नीमढेला सफारी यहीं पे एंड होती है.
Grow weary
You remain faithful by my side. In the midst of storms and darkest nights, your light never fades. Your love never ends, always here for me. No love compares to yours. You hold my hand, wipe away my tears. Jesus, you breathe.
After a super satisfying and lucky day, we started back to the gate once the time was over. We were so happy to see 3 tigers, leopards, sloth bear all in one day. और अब हमारा नेक्स्ट सफारी मोहाली की तरफ था, तो हमारे साथ बने रहिएगा फॉर द नेक्स्ट पार्ट वेयर वी विल शो यू व्हाट वी सॉ इन द मोहाली कोर जोन ऑफ ताडोबा. थैंक यू.